because awuzange ube ne-chance mamkhona ube presentation ezalibhale phansi igama elithi emuyi so that uzobona ukuthi likanjani. So even when we do our invitations, let's do that. This skill is learning the power of purpose. My mentor, Lowen Jim Rohn, when he speaks about this, a person that has a purpose in their lives, they have something to go for in life. Banento abafuna ukuya kiyo. The power of purpose, guys, unento ofuna ukuya kiyona. They have some meaning. Akunandaba ukuthi kwenzekalani emhlabeni, akunandaba ukuthi ama circumstances eceleni kwakhathini, but wena ngaphakathi kuwe you have a meaning in life. Angazi noma niyayazi incaze bakuwe. Incaze bakuwe ayinandaba ukuthi umakhelwane uthini, umakhelwane wenzani. Incazo ekimi, imeaning angazi ukuthi ngayichaza kanjani ingakho ngithi incazo. Ekimi yenza ukuthi noma kukhona abantu abasemaceleni abangitshela ukuthize, but mina incazi kimi ngaphakathi. So ayikho into ongayenza ngoba ikimi lento ngaphakathi. Umuntu ohamba isonto uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini. One writer umekhuluma ngepower of purpose uyidescribe ukuthi for some people it becomes a magnificent obsession. Let me write that one down. Uzokutshela umambala ukuthi what is into makuthiwa magnificent obsession. Yabona umuntu maye obsessed. Uba umsize ekhuluma la ukuthi even our families babesho izinto ezithile babeshiso ukumbona ukuthi siyamazi ukuthi esebenza eNestle Scott akazabe ne-obsession njengento siyamazi esebenza ka-Rainbow supervisor akazabe nje i-conviction nayo ngebhizinisi kuze kube namhlanje you cannot tell him anything. So i-power of purpose abanye abantu bangayichaza kanjalo ukuthi it is that magnificent obsession, but mhlambe kumina nawe it does not have to be that dramatic. Kimina nawe akufuneki ukuthi kuze kube into enjalo ebonwa yizwe lonke ihabahabe enjalo, but abanye abantu babanjalo siyabazi abantu sike sababona uma seyitholile into ukuthi akugijime nayo kanjalo, but kimina nawe mhlambe it doesn't have to be that, but still noma ngabe kuthiwa it doesn't have to be that dramatic, but still kufanele kube into eyenza something with. Uma sithi une power of purpose, it must be something that does something to you. It must be something that pulls you. Uma sikhuluma ngepower of purpose, nansi into ebalulekile ngepower of purpose. It must pull you. It must be something that pulls you. Kufanele kube into edonsayo.
Fana sidakamizwa.
Yes.
Fana sidakamizwa ikudako.
Yes. And my puller, it should pull you to the future. The power of purpose must pull you to the future. If it pulls you to the future, it does not matter what is in the surrounding. Akubi nandaba ukuthi njengamanje kunjani. Akubi nandaba ukuthi njengamanje kune-COVID. Akunandaba ukuthi njengamanje ibhizinisi lakho liku-3%. Akunandaba ukuthi namhlanje ngiyaqala ukuza kwi-presentation. But because you have a power ile engaphakathi ukuthi une-purpose wena kuwe ngaphakathi, you are pulled to the future. Awunandaba, there are many things othola ukuthi they pull us. And eziningi zalezo zinto, they pull us to the past. Njalo uthula, but you are pulled. Njengoba kade ngikhuluma ngalento kade ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi afika umuntu esefika la ebhizinisini ashonelwa umyeni. Ngiyaxolisa, I know ukuthi there are people like that 10 years ago, but uma usafika la, that is the story that is in your mouth. Ukuthi mina ukuthi kwahamba ubaba. Not in a bad way, guys. Baningi abantu abahambele obaba. Kodwa baqede ukuzila, baqede i-morning process, basukuma bathi bayithintitha bayibiza ngamagama abo, bamaphambi kwesibuko bathi sibanibani, bayitshela. I love the lady. Uma ngibukela, I'm not usually into this thing here, Durban, housewives of Durban, into kanjalo. But I love unkosikazi kaNcwane, into ayenzayo. If singabantu besifazane, we can look up into that woman. One day I was by the market siyojopha untombazane ngibona imoto ye-VIP protection. Mhlambe i-protector abantu base-rank osomatekisi wathi ibhaliwe ukuthi Ncwane eka-Ayanda Ncwane a big car eme laphaya and ibhizinisi lelo bekade lingekho eqaleni. But uthe mayeseqedile ngokumonela uSifiso esimaziyo ukuthi bebeyinto eyodwa besebenza even in his business. But uthe mayeseqedile wabona ukuthi okay, I need to pull myself from this. Wayeseqhubekela phambili. If singakwazi ukufunda leyo nto, sithi manje I am here. It doesn't matter what is my past, what happened, ukuthi ngizalwe kuphi, ngizalwe kanjani, angisena ndaba. But manje I am here. Sikiyeke ezinye izinto if singasiphuleli to the back, to the past, sisiphula to ama-distractions eceleni. Kuba umsisi njengoba kade ekhuluma ngawo njengamanje, ama-distractions uyazi ukuthi aqhamuka kanjani eceleni. Sikhuluma kakhulu la in the business ngendaba ye-social media ukuthi asiyisebenzise to our advantage, asibe no-Instagram, asibe no-Facebook. But you will be amazed how people approach you go Instagram na go Facebook. Uma beke babona nje every Saturday mina masikade sine meeting on my Instagram page, I post i-audience ebesinayo, the excitement and everything. Sengikusukelile ukukhuluma. Sebeyabona ukuthi lo muntu kusho ukuthi une-audience unabantu. Can we talk? Lo muntu angimazi, lo muntu white guy from abroad ongekho ngishona la. I said to another one 2 weeks ago and approach, I won't tell him ukuthi ngamtshela ukuthi please esang-approach nje ngathi please do not talk to me about 2 things. Ngamtshela lawo magama engeke ngiwamemeze because guys they are videoized. Ngamtshela ukuthi ngicela ungangitsheli ngokuthi nokuthi because everyone umeka ukubingelela nje ese-inboxa uzokutshela ngalezi zinto oziwu-2. That because ngiyazi ukuthi leyo nto usengitshelile uJim Rowe ngimlalela zonke insuku ukuthi it is a distraction ezongiphula to the side ingibeke eceleni. I might not recognize it. Ngingabona kuyithuba elimangalisayo hey mina sengisebenzisana nabantu abaseTurkey abakuphi kanti sizongiphula from this gym ekade ikhuluma uMkhanyolo. So you need to be careful ukuthi with your this power of purpose engaphakathi kwakho, focus on the things that are pulling you to the future, not to the side, and you need to decide ukwenza kanjani. Njengoba kade kusho uMkhanyolo. Why am I saying that? Even the good book esiyifundayo, I won't quote ukuthi ngiphi mawuyazi uyayazi. Ithi angeke ukwazi ukuthi ukhonza amakhosi amabili. Uyasenzakalela. So lesikhathi uvumela lento ezokuphula to the back noma ezokuphula to the side, ungavumeli le ezokuphula because you want something that is going to pull you to the future. Uzozenzakalela ukuthi ugcine usuhlezi nale ekuphule to the side noma ile ekushonise kuya ungangibuza ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. It's life. Yayingeke ibe kuyi-book of life uma ngabe ingenzeki kanjalo. Thatha egodwa uvumele khona ukuthi mina I'm going forward. Emuva angisayi, eceleni angisayi. Sengiqonde kanje. Ufaka amahanyisa kade show ngomkhanya. Nansi enye into epowerful kakhulu uma ngabe una le high purpose of empilweni yakho in your life. It pulls you not just into the future and it becomes more stronger uma ngabe more clear kuwena. It needs this purpose kufanele kube clear uzethu ba umsisi ngesinye isikhathi mayikhuluma athi kufanele uze uzibone noma uhamba ungabe usawehlisa manje amahlombe ukuthi wena kwakwenze njani kwakunje kwakunjani usuthola inqaba thina into eyenza ukuthi senze 21% ngo 4 months sabona ukuthi saze salifica ithubeni lesimanga. That is why sagijima ngo 4 months senze 21%. That is why ngonyaka olandelayo kade singene ngoNovember ngo2011 ngo-October sasise-Mauritius. We were on the flight to Mauritius for the first time. Senza ama-passports senza ini because zathi masesifikile kwaba clear. But mabesitshela ukuthi you can qualify for the trip akwangaba inganekwane. Sahamba sathatha trip sahamba saya airport singakaze siye sayofuna ukubona ukuthi abantu abahambayo abase-airport baphathana kwenziwa njani use-airport. Safike sabuka ama-suitcase. Okay, la ma-suitcase esinawo la endlini awaqualify, kufanele siyofuna ama-suitcase ngoba sesizohamba amazwe manje. Kwaku-clear, we were pulled. Izimo zonke ey'semaceleni nezazisemuva zazisho njalo zazingasho. Kuba umsisi told you ukuthi sasibhizi nokudecorate, sasibhizi sihlobisa imishado, sibanga sikhokhela abantu, nge-weekend sihambe siyodayisa empangeni esikhaweni e-flea market. Unixoxelile la sasiginqika ngethini enitshela ukuthi kwakuphela wathi uyafika umuntu afuna isicathulo esibomvu kanti wena uphethe esimhlophe. Amunye ufuna isize 7 ugcine wena kusize 6 ukoda. Ngesonto elizayo ngokusamthola phela abantu baningi e-flea market. So those things were there, but because we decided, it was clear. Yeah, clear. I remember very well what 2011 we trip yase-Mauritius. wonke ama-trips esesipesa wayaphesheya, they've been amazing. But leyo trip into special ngayo, on the last day bedlala izinto ababesenzela zona ukuthi bazivalelisa, tears were just zazizehlela, because I was pinching myself ukuthi, is this mina lo ngempela, le nto ngempela yenzekile, is this real? You need something ezoba kanjalo, ezokudonsa kanjalo, uyibone ibe clear kanti uzibone ukwi-flight uhamba ungakhokhanga ngisho i-cent, uzibone u-enjoy the whole weekend. The more it is clear, then uzoyisebenzela kanjalo. Nansi enye advantage. I wish I had the time. Oh, I still have 5 minutes. Another advantage, if you have a purpose in life, it pulls you through.
That powerful.
It pulls you through. Why am I saying it pulls you through? There are many things. There are many difficulties. There are many challenges. Besides being pulled to the future, you want something, if on a purpose, as of pull through these difficulties and challenges. Guys, it's not going to be a walk in the park. This is a real business. These are real people out there. As it go and prospect them. These are people out there, most of them who are negative, who are discouraged, who are hopeless. Asebazi ukuthi ngishizwe alinayo imisebenzi imali ayikho mawuthi uyokhuluma nothisha manje bakutshela ukuthi kuphi ngoba kwathina asitholanga ngisho increment ngonyaka odlule mangithi ngikhuluma nabo. So you need something which is going to pull you through all those things because of the dream, because of the purpose that you have. You need to be pulled through kulezo zinto udlule kulezo zinto. If you don't have this emqondweni wakho, if awunayo le yanto, you won't be pulled through. Yokhala nge-COVID, yokhala ngabantu, yokhala ngama-price anyukile. I got to a lady there, athi hayi kunzima, sinoma umsiza, I think bekuyizolo noma kuthatha. Hayi ngeke, manje ama-price, ngithi mina okay sesanyuke ngamalini, hango 400, i-complexion bar, ngithi sis, like ushamashumi for like 4 rand. Ngiwona lawo sekufanele siwadiscuss njengamanje ukuthi sinenkinga manje akusezukuthengeka ngoba u4 rand angisena. That's it. Uyabona ngeze ukuthi kasho ukuthi futhi guys angazi ukuthi ngikomisana I'm so fired up. So manje umuntu mase ngikhalela ngo4 rand ebhizinisini ekufanele lizomnikezela ama-millions athi akasakwazi ukuthi aqhubeke. Hey manje sisothenga kanjani ngoba kufaka u2 rand once a year. Manje ngoba iglista ise-120 isinyuke ngo2 rand angisakwazi. You need something that is going to pull you through nakubona ama-prices. Ubone ukuthi okay, how do you udlula kanjani kulama prices if ayinkinga, if u4 rand for 12 months uyinkinga asifuni into ezosiphula through. If you don't have these high purposes for your life, it's easy to get swallowed by a bad day. If awunayo le high purpose empilweni yakho, it is easy to get swallowed by a bad day. It is easy to be demotivated by a bad year, a bad month. Ungacishe udisappearishe beneath the waves of the year. COVID. Singacishe singakutholi. If you know that we used to be like 80 or what, umasina meetings. Where is everyone now? Because
COVID.
Namanje khona sasibafonela ngisho ngesikhathi kade kuvulwa kade kuyi-lockdown sithi siyababuza ukuthi yazi mangibheka kwi-system ulokhu wagcina ukuthenga i-COVID guys iqale last year, i-lockdown last year ngoMarch. So masimcheck ngesikhathi sekuvulwa wagcina ukuthenga ngo-2019 mhlambe ngo-October noma ngo-September, yes ngo-November. Ilokhu wagcina ukuthenga, I mean, what are you using? Siyakucheck siyabona i-system. Athi ngiyabona nje maselokho kukhona i-COVID.
Lockdown.
Kusho yakhe lockdown. Ilokhu yaqala ngo-2019. It is easy to have excuses if awunayo i-high purpose for your life. Angisho nje purpose mina ngisho i-high purpose. Ukethi mama noMpumelelo ujayele ukumkhotha kakhulu uMambala. Athi abanye bafika bethi hey manje ngabe siyathenga manje kuyabiza manje kunjani. Athi wena ushibhile. Because it means you do not have a high purpose. You don't even have a high standard for your life. Ukuthi wena ngikuquphe wena le-toothpaste ka-28 rand wena ufuna le ka-2 rand le-toothpaste ngoba wena vele nje kunjena wena selokwazana vele nasekhaya nje kunje wena kini vele nje kuphandle nawe usuwaka phandle nje ngisho sekufuneka usuthola izinto phezulu hayi lokho akusikona okwami. How can you say that? Into equality, into organic ukuthi akuyona eyakho. Ikupho kwakho lokho ongekho lapha, lokho kulapha phandle okudayiswa abanye abafowethu mhlambe bangani ongeke ukuthi otho yasibheka standard sakho ukubona ukuthi not for me. Hayi ngoba ngiphakeme, but this is not for me. Love yourself enough ukuthi decide ukuthi mina I rather work day and night ngisebenze kanzima invite abantu to the meetings as long as I'm gonna get this high purpose enginayo ngempilo yami. And you need to have something beyond today, beyond next week, beyond next month, beyond this year. That thing is going to pull you through. Kodwa mangabe into yakho iphelela nje kule, hayi we need that every day. Sisazama. Hayi sazoke sibone nathi ubone umuntu indlela yakhe usazama ngayo. Usho ukuthi nje kulezi inyangana usazama akasekho. 12 o'clock. Usho ukuthi lo muntu akekho akanayo into emphula beyond today, beyond next week, beyond next month, beyond this year. Emdonsayo, what is your next 5 years looking like?
Yeah.
What is your goal for the next 5 years? What happens now ngicabanga ngo 5 years? Guys ngiyahlanya mina ngicabanga ngo 5 years. I just completely lose it because I'm seeing myself in another stage. Angazi noma ngiyakubona yini. I'm seeing myself person stage talking to a bigger audience. That is what ingakho ngihlanya ngalo 5 years. Ubona ukuphi no 5 years? Hayi siyobona khona. Hayi kade sasibona izinto. Kade sasingena izinto. Nale yasayingena nala sayinto nale. Ngoba kade kwasizinto. I don't ayiphindisele kulezi zasemuva. Imidonsele emuva izinto. Hayi kade kwasasibona. Hayi nosibani wayikhuluma kanje. Hayi baphi namhlanje. You must have something that is beyond this year. Beyond this year. If you have got that thing beyond this year, beyond this week, uzokwenza ukuthi whatever that is happening this today, whatever that is happening this week, whatever that is happening this month, whatever that is the business this month might not be where you want it to be.
Yeah.
This year, angenzeka lingafiki la ufika khona, but when you have something that is living with this year, ephulayo, ikushonisela next year. Uthi kodwa ngizobona this time next year mina my business is going to be somewhere else. Ayidonsele lapho. Asiso musuphelela la ukuthi hayi awu ngaze ngikhumbula iculo lasesendlini la masiphelele la. Musuphelela la. Yiba nento ekudonsayo la ekususayo ekushonisa leya. And the clearer it is, the stronger it pulls. If your purpose is clearer, it donsa ngamawala. Ngoba guys, mina sengiyithastile impilo engifuna ukuyiphila in the next 5 years. Ngibona ngathi ngiyagula sengiyithastile. Istrong iyangidonsa ngoba sengiyibonile, sengibonile. Ngiyimfilele kabuhlungu umuntu osuke engakaboni ukuthi what is Amway capable of. Uma kuthiwe mawenza le level uzongena 48,000. Uma kuthiwe ngoba ngihambanga ukuyaphesheya banifonela bathi ngoba bekune COVID nangahamba. Imali yokuyaphesheya sithema calculate sabona ukuthi per couple is 50,000. So nge-15 zenyanga ethile sofaka 50,000. Uma usungakazi ukuthi 50,000 uyangena, bawufake bathi asinihambisanga. Abafani nabanye ukuthi hayi kube nezitori. Nikana yibona izinto ezeminyaka ezitori. Mase kufanele kwenzeka izinto, sekufanele lokhu ukuchazela. Bona they deliver. Ngimphathekile kabuhlungu umuntu ngizwelene ukuthi akakazi ukuthi ubengene kuphi. So the stronger ipurpose yakho eyiyona, the more clearer, the stronger it pulls. And leyo purpose onayo, it should affect your life. It should affect your spirit. It should affect your heart. It should affect your soul. Be sold out to your purpose. Do not allow ezinye izinto wena zidayisele kwi-purpose yakho ukuthi mina uma mkhanya uqedile ngokuthi decide. Angazi ukuthi ngayisho kanjani leyo nto. Sometimes ngifila ngathi I just need to teach about deciding. And ubaba umsinje bakade ekhuluma ngakho njengamanje akusiyona into elula guys. We've been married for 20 years. This is the year 21 ngoku 2001 October. That is not an easy thing. That is a walk. Akusiyi walk in the park ukuthi guys sesishade 20 years. There are many challenges. Bangakutshela umama Mthulani, bangakutshela umama Mgobhozi, anyone. There are many challenges. Ngelina ngivuka nje ukuthi yabona namhlanje nje umuntu I remember at one point, lecturer, we are all mad. The only thing is the degrees or the levels of madness are fine. So any madness level. No munye wakuthe ukwahlela kwenye level ngoba noma ungehla noma unganyuka akumani nobabili akubi mnandi umuntu wami namhlanje waphansi ukuphatha kambi lokho noma futhi ngaba phezulu ukuthi hey kwanona kolingaka. But you need to work through that. You need to, because you have a common goal ukuthi ngifuna ukuya kulo. So njengoba umsisi kaDesho nje ukuthi udecide hayi ukuthi udecide ukuthi zonke izinto kufanele decide ukuthi namhlanje ngiya eKamerweni hayi namhlanje ngini namhlanje. You decide once. It's the same thing lapha. If you have a high purpose empilweni yakho, you decide once ukuthi this I'm doing is it. With or without umuntu nombani, but I am doing this because this is for me, this is for my family. I've got things this uzoyithola ngizokwazi ukunenzela yona. I owe it to them. If ungasayikoleti ke mina mawunezingane it's even worse because ubakoleta impilo engcono kunempilo okhule ngayo wena. Ubakoleta ushintsho kunendlela wena okhule ngayo. And lento it creates an imagination emqondweni wakho. Uyibona ukuthi if you achieve this purpose uzokwenzakalani empilweni yakho. Bese leyo ke kube iyona ekudonsayo ekugijima ngayo. And I want to say this to you guys, this is a hard business. So your heart has got to be in a good space because you like your purpose for your life. And you need to protect it. That is why isn't as it pull out to distractions, as it pull back, you cannot. And everyone's way better than that. And the last point, I said these, there are 10. The last one is self-confidence. I love the last one. I will ask for his card. But I would love to cover them all so that we move as a team. Because at the end of the day, we are here to make money, guys. Most business you need to make money. But that is why seminar. That is why today we have got an online meeting, which everyone member should zoom into that meeting and listen. Mama is teaching a product. You want to learn about the product. So yes. The second, so I've got those 10 points, but you tell them, I'm covering these two. What is self-confidence? Self-confidence, guys, agiyona le othi mawuza ne prospect we apply nyakumtshela ukuthi ngithola isikhokho. Ngithole eningi, angisho mina ngaleyo confidence. Because ikhokho kade siyibona zibe ikhokho manje zibe ikhokho yonke indawo siphelele kanjalo. I'm not talking about that confidence. Angisho futhi le yokuzigqada mhlambe noma yokuziqhenya. Where does self-confidence come from? It comes from not neglecting the small daily activities. Self-confidence uyithola lapho ukuthi lezi zinto ezincane kufanele kuzenze namhlanje namhlanje makumsombuluko bekufuneka ngenze phone call ngayenza ngamema usibanibani bekufuneka ngifunde ngeproduct ngenze appointment apply yami ngahamba ngiyofunda ngeproduct. Lezi zinto ezincane uma ungezuyiyekelela kanjalo, there are people okufuzanga bebanamabhizinisi amakhulu but they are lacking with self-confidence. They are lacking ukufunda baneglect izinto lezo oyibona zincane. Let me talk about those things. Do we have passwords? It's a small thing. Into encane. Can you check your business? Uyakwazi ukubona ama-PVs akho njengamanje akuphi because that is something which you need to do there and there. You don't have to be informed. I won't mention the name, but Mama Nompumelelo would remember ukuthi uma ngikhuluma nge-economic sesikhulume ngayo sithi owayizolo. Uyamazi ukuthi mayifika ebhizinisini noma ngafika inyanga iqala ezayo noma ingafika nini kufanele sichaze ukuthi wenza bani ngenyanga edlule, wenza ama-point anjani ngenyanga edlule. Noma ungathi ungichazela kanjani ukuthi you need to have a password. You need to have an email sikhande password so that ube nebhizinisi lakho ozokwazi ukuthi usekhaya ukwazi ukubona ama-PVs akho efonini. Lezo zinto ezincane kanjalo zikhanda, you will be amazed uma ungafunda lezi zinto ezincane ufunda uku-invite abantu abeze meeting. We appreciate your presence in the meeting, but we will appreciate kakhulu for your own sake uma sewuza nabantu emeeting, because that is your business ekufanele likhule. Alizukhula ngawe wedwa. Guys, bayayenza imali eShoprite or wherever eSpar, but abayenzi ngokuthi kufika mina kuphela ngihlengiwe ngithi ngizothenga noma ngafika ngiphethe 5,000 ngizothenga igrocery yakwami ngenyanga, but angeke isustain i-retail shop noma ngabe yiphi. Kufanele naloya mndeni uhambe uyothenga eShoprite noma uyothenga eSpar ukuze benze imali. The same way ibhizinisi lakho okufanele lenze imali ngayo alizukwazi ukwenza imali ngokuthi mina ngedwa ngenza 100 p noma ngenza 400. I know last month we made like 400 and something previous personal. Noma singawenza lawo ma-points, but asizukwenza imali okufanele siyenze yondla iy'ngane zethu, ikhulise iy'ngane, ifundise iy'ngane ngo-400 PVs. Ngidinga abantu abaningi abazothenga ebhizinisini lami, bethenga ebhizinisini lami, bethengela bona ngokwey'dingo zabo, but sebelinke nami. How many people do you invite? Do you even take one minute a week to invite one person? Uphoqwe wena ke lo yedwa. As much as sithi kufanele wazi ukuthi out of 20 people about 3 abazothi yes beze, sometimes about 10, but about 3 abazoshow up beze. How many did you invite, if we can be fair, this week for this Saturday meeting? You know what, I did it ngawenza ngenhloso last week ukuthi ngingafundisi ngalutho. Ngithi mina ngicela kube yile isonto, because I wanted our leaders to make sure that you invite as many people as possible. How many did you take even time? Noma ngithe mina mangibe khona lizokhula kanjani ibhizinisi lakho kuwe wedwa ibhizinisi lakho othenga kulona? Yiphi product yakusebenzela? Ayingeke basebenzela abantu. How are you? Bazobe bezwe ngobani uma bengezwa ngawe? Let me tell you, sohlangana nabo thina siyagijima, sohlangana nabo sibatshele la ngaphandle ngothi uyambona umuntu omaziyo umakhelwane wakho umficesela isehlezi kwi-presentation, angeke uzomclaima uthi ayilo wakhelene nami use-invite yimina usezoba i-downline kumina. How would you feel? Bad. Ubani ongayenzani justice? Wena. How many people? Do you even have isibalo sabantu ukuthi yazi every week I wish to bring so much people in meeting? Do you even have that? Because alizukhulu ibhizinisi lakho. There are people obafisele ngayo yonke indlela kodwa nkosami amuva aye kwenye level, but ayikho into engingayenza. I come here and teach. Asuke umama Mbala akhombisa iqela, asuke umama uMgobhoza afundisa, asuke umama uMsiza afundisa, asuke umama Mkhanye, but ufundisa yena lowo muntu. Ufike nobani ozobona ibhizinisi niqeda ayobona iproduct abone ukuthi nali ithuba eliyisimanga, and then your business grows. And that grows is self-confidence kuwena. I tell you, uma ngakukwenze kanye next week uze ne-prospect, you will be walking tall. Ngiyakuthembisa uzohambela phezulu ngesonto elizayo because ikhona umuntu okhona la okufanele abone ukuthi usebhizinisini lakho. Ngiyakuthembisa ngelizayo uyobuna about 2. I-confidence isiboostekile, isinyukile, because ukwazile ukuthi lo yedwa uze naye. That one person. Guys, we need 3 people. We need 6 people who are diamonds, 320 a month. 6 people who are platinum, that's 320 every month. 6 people. How many do you want? Self-confidence, if you got a feeling you are feeling good about yourself. And ngisho confidence yokuhamba uyigqaja, but ngisho confidence yokuthi I'm feeling good because I did everything. I said to my learners class ngibatshela ukuthi kufanele bacele kubazali babo ukuthi babanqiphisele umsebenzi because bafunda ugrade 12. Bathi Mrs. Sifisa ngathi ungabasendela ama-voice note ukukhulume nabo abasizwa uthi ufika bakubekela iwashing bakubekela ukuthi amabhodwa wakho yonke into. Isithi-ke ingane ephaphayo uthi wena nina wami ungani noma ngingathi ngiyamtshela ukuthi ma ngifunda umatric ngicela unikeze isikhathi sokufunda uthi vela ngizothi khona uma ngingakunikeza uzofunda yini ngoba vele ngeke uzofunda. Ngithi kuyona le ngane hlala phansi noma umtshele ukuthi wemani noma ngithiwa ngifundi noma ngingahlala ku-WhatsApp ku-social media unyaka wonke ngingafundi bese ngiyafeyila. Ngicela ukungakublame, ngicela ukuziblame mina ngithi angenzanga lutho. Uma ngabe ibhizinisi lakho listruggle noma lingaphumeleli, kufanele uthi mawuhlala phansi nebhizinisi lakho nementor yakho uthi mentor, I did it all. Sengikwenze konke engithanda ngikwenze. Ukho sengiwenzile. Ngiyawenza 100 PPs, ngiyaba invite abantu, ngiyayikhombisa iplan ka-30 ngenyanga, ngiyawenza ukuthi ngiyayazi i-product, ngiyakhansela, ngiyafunda iy'ncwadi, ngiyayilalela ama-CD, sengikwenze konke. What more do I have to do? Kungabibikho into othi nawe mawuthi uthi hey, kodwa nami ngibuye ngidoje, kodwa nami ngi-invite. Uma ungakwazi into emnandi kuleli bhizinisi, unomuntu oseyihambile le ndlela. You have leaders, there are amazing leaders here. Angahlala phansi nawe afundise ukuthi umuntu uma ezoze meeting u-invite kanjani. What do you say? What you do not say? You have a person ukuthi akubambe ngesandla akufundise lokho. Umuntu one-best interest kuwena ukuthi akufundise lokho. Are you available for that? Have you ever called? I used to say that to my learners ukuthi siyayihlalela i-staff room ngithi nina anihluphi nina. Uma ngayini period yami, I'm free, ngihlela staff. Akho ngane ezolifika ithi yasisho okwakhuluma ngesakha esithi ubucokudla buhamba ngabili. Angiyazi into esho ukuthini. Sengicela ngifundise ukuthi yini ngisakha. Yini umehluko phakathi kwesakha nesisho. Ngithi nina umuntu ukhuluma into le eklasini, ngikhulume mina ngikhuluma isizulu esideep ngazana lenkandla. Nithathe kuphelele lapho. Angeke uze ungilandele ukuthi ithini leyo nto. You need to take ownership. Guys, this is real business with real money, with real people. And we are ifuna leya mali. And leya mali i-available. But it won't just fall on the trees. You need to work for it. And it will come. And mase kwenzeka kuvele kube i-duplication ekade khuluma ngayo imama uNcube kwi-system yethu. I-duplication, uduplicate izinto ezi-right. Kwenzeke nje umuntu avela abe yilento wena osuyiyo manje. Yini indaba bengezi noma beza kuphele kube njani? That is a duplication of yourself. Ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngisho kanjani. The minute when uba right, uma kukhona into engekho right nje, qala wena ukuthi okay, what is wrong with me before ubuke ukuthi yini wrong ngama-product, yini wrong ngengubani. Qala wena qala ubheke kuwena. What is wrong with me? What do I need to fix? Call your upline. I've done 1, 2, 3. Yini wrong? Yini kufanele ngiyifix ukuze ibhizinisi lami likhule liye phambili. And you work it from there. And your self-confidence will grow. Uma ngabe sekusukela lapho. One of the best ways to feel good about yourself is that at the end of the day, wazi ukuthi you pulled it on. You did your best. Nyazi best ukuthi akekho udlula yena ngithi. Mase nenza ubest, usuke ngasekho okunye ngizokwenza. Hayi ukuthi mangisa ngisamile, ngeke ngathi ukukhuluma. Ngeke ngathi ukukhuluma namakhelwane wami. Musukhuluma, do your best. Mutshele ukuthi I have seen an amazing opportunity. Asingabe sakhuluma, asikhulume ngempela manje. Ngibona ithuba lebhizinisi engakaze ngilibone. Guys, sasingeke siwenze 21% ngo4 months. Kube sasikhuluma. We were mad. And we have always been mad. Kuze kube namhlanje ngisahlanya kanjani. Because ngabona ithuba lebhizinisi elangisusa ngiwuthisha ongenapha passport ongenalutho la ngenza ngahamba amazwe aphesheya. Angikwazi ukuyiliba into efana naleyo. You have people ke wena subabonile abakutshela ukuthi kwenzeka njani. You need to be mad. Ungasakhuluma. Hayi ngeke ngathi uxoxa noma guys asixoxa. This is a business. If you conducted the meeting, that is a self-confidence. Wazi ukuthi you did the best meeting. Unomsulele ebusuku ukuthi hayi kodwa ngishayile plan. Ayingenzi plan. If uwenza phone call, wazi ukuthi it is the best phone call I could ever do. Uma bengisend invitation, it was the best invitation. Leyo nto mayisihlangene yonke yabaningi kanjalo, igcina isikhandi confidence kuwena usuwazi ukuthi ngiyaphambili, ngiyaqhubeka ngiyaphambili. Ngiyabonga kakhulu baba sisi. Nethuba nginikezela. I won't finish. I told you, you're going to 6:30 and I am fired up. Ngidlalisa lapho zekushawa.